today's episode of How We Roll Auto, I'm going to take the stickers off the Dirty Bird.
Welcome to How We Roll Auto.
Okie dokie artichoke. So today's episode, we're taking the stickers from the KATS sponsorship off of the Roadrunner. I should have done this a long time ago. I'm sure it's going to be a pain in the butt now, but we got a heat gun. It's about 75 out here in Texas, so we'll give it a go. Stay tuned. All of this stuff. I don't know. I'm taking that off too. All of this stuff. Both sides and the trunk lid. Here we go. All right. Here's my heat gun. Not sure I'm going to need it. It's a Milwaukee. That was kind of cold. See how hard it is to peel these off. Something tells me this is going to be a super fun project. Not too horrible. Not too horrible. I'm guessing it's going to make a pretty good mess though. And you can kind of see where it was. So this is going to have to be buffed afterwards. Okay. I just got done hitting it with a heat gun a little bit. Kind of peels right off as long as you get your fingers under it. And then I don't know if you can see in the film, but it leaves, you can still see the letters here a little bit. I'll buff those out. Once you get the letters started, they peel off pretty good. Heat gun definitely helps. You could use an hair dryer on this because it doesn't take much heat to get this vinyl going. Or if you just had the car out in the sun, it would help as well. Okay, I will keep going. This is going to take some time, people. Okay, using the heat gun to take it off. Heat gun's on low. Stickers are pretty pliable, coming off pretty easy. Biggest problem is trying to get my fingernails under them because I don't have any. Get the vinyl started. But this is going to take some time. I'll probably do this with a hairdryer, to be honest with you. In this temperature, it's not going too bad. transit coating. Everybody needs a gallon or two of that. Alright, I need something to kneel on. Way too old for this. You're gonna kneel in Texas. Gotta have a fiddle in the band. Alright, let's see here. Get some big letters. See some real results. This was already peeling a little bit. Alright. I know we've all been waiting for this moment. Let's see how this K peels off here. Now for the part everyone wants to see. Removal of the R. The Ritex R. Oh, these are a pain in the butt. Get the warden out here, get her fingernails. Good morning, party people. So, got about half of it done yesterday, and then the wife said, let's go to have tacos with the neighbors for lunch, which turned into tacos and drinks, which turned into going to a place to have drinks, which turned into dinner with drinks. So, you know, it happens. So this is a update from where we got from yesterday. I left the How We Roll Auto on there for right now. I don't think I like it. I think I'm probably going to take it off, but I'm going to take a look at it after it's done and get some opinions. Leaving that one on for now, see how I like it. Got halfway through this. These turned out to be harder than I thought because there's a lot of little pieces there to pick off. Take forever. Got the R off of this side. Haven't gotten that off yet, obviously. I got some of the big letters off of here. Got to do the rest. But I tell you what, this thumbnail, super sore after picking those off yesterday. I didn't even notice it was, just not a normal thing to do. So when you do a lot of it, about dinner time last night, even with all the cocktails, it was still a little tender. So I'm gonna try different fingers today. That didn't come out right. All right, let's go. So here we go. Hoping you can see this. So you can still see the letters in here, but if I rub, it kind of goes away. It really needs another cleaning. I'm gonna clean it again with that KATS remover. Make sure I got all that KATS coating residue completely off, and then I will. It's also a degreaser and a cleaner, so you could use it to do that anyway. And it'll strip all the wax off the car if there is any left, and then I will buffer and wax her after that. But I still got some decals to pull off, and let me tell you what, it takes a toll on the old fingernails, even with the heat gun, just to get it started. So, going after it. Things were going just great, taking off the decals, and then I got to a certain zero, and oh man, gonna have to do some touch up there. Not surprised. Paint job on the car is not the best, but it almost is a semi-gloss instead of a gloss anyway. I know I'm gonna have to paint it at some point, but I'm gonna just keep touching it up because this is a car I drive. I don't want to have to be worried about the paint job. So, but still sucks. I hate you. The end.